In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set an alarm on the Amazfit Pop 3R. So start by opening the apps menu, and then from here, scroll through the very many options until you find the option for alarm. Tap on it. Then, as you can see, I've already created 2 alarms. So to create another one, or to create a new alarm, tap on this plus icon here, and then set the time you wish the alarm to ring. It can be in AM or PM, and it's up to you to decide. So I can put this at like 5:15 PM. Then you'll tap on the check mark to confirm that that's when you wish the alarm to ring. Then you can now customize which days you want it active for. You can choose every day, you can choose once, or you can go through this list of days and select which days you want it active for. Then once you've selected, tap on the check mark again to save and apply the changes. So now, whenever it reaches 5:15 PM, my alarm will ring just this once. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.